Kajingdon jang kajela Meghalaya ha Khappud barkari Bangladesh. Juang bagadon kajingkata ikipat ba kibasa ha Khappud khamtam ikiba lui bat kibetre minat thap daka umsep hende gadon pat kajingyo nong ye kibrio kiba kamai daki kam khai kibalong bean kabangi juang kikam ar number hagisnam baladap kajing khai bean ikimar labna tang halor kamasi bat kiwe ikimar henrei kensan mentau snem kajing khai mar bamru kajorba khamtam hakabayde bat ka Shini mar kajing he dor jong kabai Shini sha Bangladesh ladai nujor bat ka India kabalong tang south hoting ka shikilo kat baha Bangla ka dor kalong arsha kani ka kam khai ka Shini sha Bangladesh na Meghalaya kamdei tang na ka than dikhasi jaintia henry wat na rilom barithor garuru dangshen kawai na kaseng ka HYC na riwar mi ngi circle kalami shkhamat ban krani kini kamat wat ban kthongru yiki kali ki bucket ya ka Shini kumban penskem shushu halor kini Baroh nakaliang Shillong Mail ulayo bantuat jingmut patway officer naga border security force BSF baklem tre ban pen pau kerteng ni ban pen itu dor naga daw bo umyo jingbet nagi bahe hado ban pelong ye ka kenhon ban pen kalai ka sur jongu knang bakani ka khubor kan lech ki score jong ki brio ki badan ha ka bor naka e gablayo lum jingtep aka jing ekran lala ban sungothu baka Shini yamenta ka dei ka way ni ki mar bam ka bujur haka kam khai to parkani ga long habaro kawai ka jala.
The modus operandi is that sugar is loaded in big trucks, those big trucks flying on the national highway, and then they are brought somewhere near the border, not exactly near the border. It is unloaded and then either stored somewhere or it is further transported in those small pickup Mahindra pickups. No, so they find the best possible way to go and dump the sugar so that it can be easily smuggled across to Bangladesh. Those things are on the rise, and it is not only in this region, it is, I'll say, the entire stretch of Meghalaya border. Okay. We have been facing this problem. Now recently what we have done is in Ranikor and Gumaghat area, so we have started placing MCPs, the mobile checkposts. Suddenly that their road is choked. They cannot come in with their vehicle, so that area has somehow become very silent for maybe 2 or 3 days now. So, those things are going on, ba.
Have you apprehended anyone, in the border?
Apprehension is there, then there is joint ops with police. So, lot of things are there, yeah.
Haka arpulai terik urumpang arajar arpusau nakaliang way nong mi khamat ubana kaseng Congress badubana rilom garo usaleng sangma ulakren ni kani kejo kamat ban yathu kumnok ka kam khai tu ya ka Shini using ukwai ka jorba ban lej nakani ka jilla sha Bangladesh ka bakanthop ya ka Garo Hills bat nari khasi jaintia ka taru da ka baket daki trok he nakaliang usaleng uloong ladaya kani ka kam ka bakhai tu daki trok he bat ki mar ki bakitru ki bon umla man telekam kumno unla hakabai de bakitiar neki marrit.
No, right now I can speak on that because, you see, lots of smuggling is going through through Garo Hills right now, even through Khasi Hills also. We have seen that they viraling this sugar, even the ginger, even the areca nuts and all the betel nuts. So that is going to Bangladesh. Smuggling is going on. So if they cannot stop this smuggling in the border itself, which is only a few adjoining area with the Bangladesh and Meghalaya. So if they cannot check these areas, how do you suppose to make sure that they will be able to check the whole incident that is happening in the whole Meghalaya? No, that's why I was telling you actually. Now, if they cannot check, simple thing. in one two area this smuggling is happening with a huge truck that is going to the border, and then they, with a huge numbers of sacks of sugar is going outside the Bangladesh. Even it was protected. If they cannot check the smuggling, then how do you suppose to think that they can check the small minute things that is happening within our stone state?